Hi, I'm Paul Holofko, and today we're going to learn how to transplant your plants to a hydroponic garden. So what we're doing here is we're starting out with some basil and some strawberries, and it's possible to put tomatoes and a variety of other vegetables together into your hydroponic garden. The way you start out, generally one way, is to start with a 6-pack that you get at a nursery, or you can grow seeds from plugs in your own garden. So you take out, remove the strawberry out of the plug of the case here, and take it in and wash it out. Same thing goes for the basil. So just go ahead and remove one of these from one of the 6-pack, and then also wash the soil off the roots of the basil. Okay, so you can use a basket or you can use Hydrotone. In the case here, you use the basket, you put some Hydrotone in it to help support it. It's easier to put it in afterwards. Then you take this into a larger hydroponic system where water will flow through and the roots will grow out. The other way you can do it is you can put it in a Hydrotone bucket where it circulates through a plastic pipe, and you can plant your basil and you can plant your herbs or whatever you want anywhere you want, and they'll stand up. That's one thing that's nice about Hydrotone. Actually give you enough support that you can actually get the plant to stay steady. And then you put in your pipe that comes with a kit, even on top of in a hydroponic system in this case. Put it in there and you can let it grow. You can put your planter almost anywhere, off a balcony or a trellis or anything, and it'll grow fine, just so far you have enough electricity for the air pump to be able to grow in this particular situation. I'm Paul Holofko.